Hi guys, welcome back to our channel IPFighter. Rotating and static proxies each have their own pros and cons. To make your online activities as effective as possible, it's crucial to select the right type of proxy that suits your specific needs. To do that, you need a clear understanding of the characteristics of each type. A static proxy comes with a single, unchanging IP address assigned to you. Static proxies allow accessing the web from a single unique IP address. A static IP address is also called a sticky IP address. Data center and ISP IPs are usually static. On the contrary, a rotating proxy comes with a manual or automatic IP changes. Rotating proxies allow users to connect to an IP pool with many different IP addresses. Your IP can change either randomly or based on a specific mechanism, like after a few minutes, after each reload, or when the current IP becomes unusable. Rotating proxies typically include residential IPs, which consist of household and mobile IPs. Aside from IP address, there are some key differences between rotating and static proxies. The first one is the proxy type. Static proxy IPs are usually data center and ISP proxies, while rotating proxy IPs are usually residential and mobile proxies. The second one is the number of IP addresses. Each static proxy is equivalent to a single IP, whereas each rotating proxy comprises numerous different IPs. Next is the speed. Rotating proxies tend to have slower connection speeds compared to static proxies. Another one is the price. Rotating proxies are generally more expensive than static ones. Static proxies are priced based on the number of IPs, while rotating proxies are usually charged by data usage in gigabytes. The next one is the type of connection. With static proxies, you have a direct connection to a specific IP address, giving you full control over the IP. In contrast, rotating proxies connect to an IP pool managed by a server, so the server selects the IP for you. Exclusivity is also a noticeable difference. Static proxies can be either shared or private, whereas rotating proxies are typically shared. The last one is the maintenance. If a static proxy encounters issues, you need to find a way to fix or replace it. Rotating proxies only require switching to a different IP from the pool. Whether you should choose rotating or static proxies depends on your specific use case. If you aim to maintain accounts over an extended duration, static proxies with fixed IP addresses are the way to go. On the contrary, if your goal involves frequently changing IPs to access a variety of accounts, rotating proxies offer the flexibility of different IP addresses. For instance, when managing high-value accounts on platforms such as eBay, Etsy, Amazon, GMC, or Facebook ads, opting for one static proxy per account ensures stability and an authentic user experience. Conversely, for lower-value accounts, like those used for seeding on Facebook, you can optimize costs by using a shared rotating proxy for about 50 accounts. Once you've determined the type of proxy you want to use, choose a reliable provider and check the cleanliness of the IPs. You can refer to our previous videos on how to select a trustworthy proxy provider and what is a clean proxy linked in the video description. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to get notified about my upcoming videos. If you have any further questions, you can contact us via Facebook or Twitter. Good luck and see you next time.